Hi everyone. Now we are in LA. This is the art district of LA. This has been super gentrified over the past many years, and there's a lot of boutique restaurants, hotels, clubs, and Japantown is very close by, very artsy, as you can see. Very, very artsy. So we're gonna go and check out this great kind of roll place and get some lunch, kind of chill out a bit. But as you can see, it's very warehousey looking area, but super cool. Very kind of low-key, and close to this actually is Japantown. So it's, again, LA is very spread out. There's neighborhoods. Each neighborhood is very unique. Some of these places are still kind of closed, but just because of the COVID situation that hit LA pretty bad, like any other place, especially downtown LA. But everything is slowly getting back to normal. And there you go. Look at this area. It's very warehousey, kind of wrought iron, that kind of vibe. Kind of reminds me of certain areas of Brooklyn, but very different. Very, very different. This is, I think, is an ice cream place. How cool is this? Everybody's sort of sitting outside, chilling out.
There's like a new fucking cab for the year. One seat back. Everyone would be like knocking.
This is the open space totally. Nothing much going on. But we are going to go to this Yunomi hand roll place. West Coast sushi, everybody says, is much better than the East Coast sushi, and I kind of believe them. So sushi in California is much better than the sushi that you get in New York. Again, this is a debate, but usually I think the quality is better. So this is such a great place. Look at this entire sushi bar. How cool this is. So this is a hand roll place. Food is supposed to be really good. So we're gonna order some great hand rolls, maybe a glass of wine, or maybe a sake actually, and kind of chill out. It's just amazing looking place. Very, very zen-like. Now look at this little trick. How cool this is.
So I just wanted to touch base with you only because we got new sake.
Yeah.
So these are kind of our options.
Sure.
There's the Mitsubashi.
Okay.
You're looking at 22 smooth dry.
Okay.
These are the two new ones. It's Desai. We have Desai 45. We have Desai 39 now, and Desai 23.
Okay.
The differences would be the rice and the way that they grain the rice to get the better, production.
Yeah.
39 would be my recommendation.
Okay.
It is a little bit of an upcharge, but it's a premium.
Okay.
This is at 36, and then this, if you wanted to indulge, I just wanted to bring it to you as it's new. Super premium, as this would be at 56. But again, it just comes down to the complexity of the way it's made and just the fineness of the rice,
Okay, and how much is that one?
This one is, I believe it's 24. I have to double check that one. Yeah.
That should be fun. Yeah.
I just wanted to bring it to you so you know for future reference, okay?
Got you. Thank you so much. So, got this nice sake. I'm gonna check it out and tell you guys how it tastes. Should be good. So this is an albacore sashimi. Look how gorgeous this looks. And let me see how it tastes now. This albacore is so good with this crust of, I think, kind of onions, maybe. It's just so good. It's got that kind of citrusy flavor to it, and this yummy. And cheers. It's the sake. Washing it down with the sake. So there's this hand roll. This is albacore with crispy rice and truffle soy sauce. So look at the crispy rice with the albacore, and there's some truffle soy sauce that comes along with it. You can taste that crunchy rice as the base with the albacore on the top, and sprinkled with some of these onions. It's just fabulous. Wow. What's this?
This is spicy tuna.
Wow, this is fantastic. Look at how he made this.
Spicy albacore.
So checking out the spicy tuna hand roll that sushi chef just made for us. So I'm going to dip it in some of this soy sauce with a little bit of wasabi and it's fabulous. Good.
No, I think we're good.
You can taste the rice with the seaweed wrapping on top and the spicy tuna. It's not too spicy. It's tangy taste to it, but it's just the flavors just burst in your mouth. So it's just excellent. You can just taste the high quality tuna. So this is a fantastic place. So we are now in Japantown. It's so cool. See, this is what's this only exists in LA. This is not even in New York. It's like, I mean, New York has, you know, Japanese neighborhoods, but this whole area, huge area, has got all kinds of Japanese stuff. How cool is this? So I'm going to try to get this, go to some place called Japangeles, get a cab, and then probably leave this neighborhood. But this is a very, very cool place, very cool neighborhood. All kinds of Japanese stuff, food, t-shirts, stationeries, groceries, you name it. Japangeles, it is. How cool this store is. I got this hat. It's called Japangeles. And look at all these caps. This is one of the best stores I've ever seen. They started off from a cart, and now this is this great store. They have not have any online presence. It's all about brick and mortar support. So this is the Los Angeles skyline, how beautiful it is. What a beautiful place this is. What a beautiful restaurant over here. It's called Bavel in downtown LA. And having a great time over here. Cheers. So it's a Middle Eastern place. Just came in over here and trying out a couple of different food. And I'm going to show you what we're having. But the ambience is great. I think it's a new place. I'm not very sure. I'm not from LA, so not 100% sure. But cheers. Having this great dry wine. I'm not sure what it is because I told some sommeliers, like, you know, get me something that's kind of dry and kind of nice. She got me something a little bit different, and that was not too dry, so I didn't like it. And she was so kind enough to give me another choice. So cheers. I think this is a typical downtown LA kind of a warehouse space that has been turned into a restaurant. I'm going to just show you around a little bit. It's just beautiful. The outside patio and everything is just fabulous. Just amazing. Love this place. And the food is very Middle Eastern, kind of a Moroccan and Lebanese. Everything is kind of mixed, but high-end. And here is the kitchen. People are like cooking. This open kitchen is beautiful. It's just a beautiful space. So you order some really great dishes, not too much, some appetizers and a lot of seafood dishes. So let's see how it is. So this is the hummus with the pita bread. It looks amazing. I'm very sure it's going to taste great too. This is ocean churro. It's raw fish with a lot of, I think it looks like a ponzu sauce, but kind of it's more like a fusion, I think. But we'll try it out and let you know how it is.